hard out here, them ghetto youths.
Girl, walk on. See some things just turn on.
Going hard out here, them pistols loaded.
Girl, walk on. See some things just burn on.
Rough. My niggas in them cuffs. Circle about that. I don't know who to trust. My niggas on lockdown. Freedom is a must. This life is deeper than the country.
Every sufferer, runaway slave. Everyone have them on a lip. Them aggressive waking up in a pier. It's a line you can't get you. Sufferer, ghetto youth on this subway train. Everybody have them on a lane, but mine one we drown out in the rain. It's a line you can't get you. I already know, but the pussy them shatters by blood like gussy them. Gun but the fuck them.
We built a struggle, so I'm hustling harder. 2 buildings back to back, I had a couple of Carters. I didn't grind for them hoes and jewels. I needed clothes for school. Them Cobras move silent, science better know the rules. Them youngins hungry and they belly hurting. Grow the skellies murking, dwelling in the cell for them, hell is certain. Shorty 7 months pregnant and the man locked. Got knocked 30 days before his little man dropped. Cold soul, heart's ice, but his hands hot. The rap was his homie that he grew it in the sandbox. Liquor store alkies on the front page, leaned out. Trap home zombies in the zone and they fiend out. How you judge him when that's all he know? When his mom smoke dope, friends serve him and he call him bro.
Every sufferer, runaway slave. Everyone have them on a lane. Them aggressive waking up in a pier. It's a line you can't get you. Sufferer, ghetto youth on this subway train. Everybody have them on a lane, but mine one we drown out in the rain. It's a line you can't get you.
Them lost souls need a voice. Them little homies trying to see a Royce. Selling dope shouldn't be a choice. I learned from OGs blessed in retirement. A ghetto youth that's a product of environment. Surviving in these days of Babylon. Word to God against all odds, we'll find a way to carry on. Police ran up in the spot trying to find something. Gun to a little girl's head and didn't find nothing. All they took was a first and a last name. Shorty still having flashbacks of the flashbang. On the road to Zion, iron on my waist, the heat. A cop shooting at me cause I'm young and my facial features. No sleep, up all night, butter scraping. Like the Tupperware scale bread lovers baking. No love in the ghetto while my brothers hating. God bless all the children that these mothers making. Hard out here, them ghetto youths.
Girl, walk on. See some things just turn on.
Going hard out here, them pistols loaded.
Girl, walk on. See some things just burn on.
My niggas in them cuffs.
Circle about that.
I don't know who to trust. My niggas on lockdown. Freedom is a must. This life is deeper than the country.
Every sufferer, runaway slave. Everyone have them on a lane. Them aggressive waking up in a pier. It's a line you can't get you. Sufferer, ghetto youth on this subway train. Everybody have them on a lane, but mine one we drown out in the rain. It's a line you can't get you. I already know, but the pussy them shatters by blood like gussy them. Gun but the fuck of them. If your heart ever stops, I go back in time, make your heart beat again. Run niggas to the end, niggas hearts bleed. Smoke weed, elevated, renegaded. To run niggas who could relate it. It's the murder game. It's the murder game. It's the murder game. It's the murder game.
Chill. They said that boy Gramz heating up the block again. The shop open, Charlie got away, he got caught again. I am the Queen Street, the street cars, the side streets, the high fields, the 2 buildings, Fry's house, deprived sleep. Tool up steak and eggs, money march staircases. Sent the goons to run up on shakes with them bare faces. Scotia spot jumping, gravity's a gold mine. Dutch faking on the low, hating us the whole time. That bitch Nikki had him twisted, she a damn girl. Caught up in the twat, forgetting it's a man's world. 1575 wops till my stock's out. Dope cheek and 5 niggas bleaching up in Swap's house. That was the 3rd floor. 1st floor was Dewey spot. Wendy's on the 4th. When it came to fiends, I knew a lot. Mad dope with more hammers than the toolbox. Letter from the east, and it starts with Dear Q Block.
If your heart ever stops, I go back in time, make your heart beat again. Run niggas to the end, watch your hearts bleed. Niggas smoke weed, elevated, renegaded. To run niggas who could relate it. If your heart ever stops, I go back in time, make your heart beat again. Real nigga to the end. Niggas hearts bleed, niggas smoke weed, elevated, renegade it. To real niggas who can relate it. It's the man.